Hi guys, I'm Palak Lakhani. In this channel, I make educational and motivational videos. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So let's get started. If you are wondering about what you need to do to study in Germany, then this video is for you. I will be providing you with 8 steps of application process. Step number 1. Find a study program. This is not supposed to be a major problem because there are many universities and countless study programs available. Regardless of what direction you want to go in life, there will certainly be a study program that will match your studying aspirations and future plans. You can always refer that website for finding different courses in the universities. But finding a university and a study program may take time if you haven't given much thought to this matter before starting your application process to study in Germany. I suggest you think about the study program at least 4 months before making a final decision. Once you find those universities, you can focus on a smaller list of universities that seem ideal for you. Finding a university and study program is very important because it determines everything. Step number 2. Meet all requirements. When you have decided what university and what study program you want to attend, you must check out all the requirements. For this purpose, you check the university website and their admission requirements section. Entry requirements are different depending on the university and the type of course you choose. Bad timing and missing documents are the most common issues that happen at this stage, and both can lead to delayed admission or even rejected applications. To avoid such possibility, you must prepare these documents early enough. Step number 3. Learn German language. Your success at university highly depends on your skills in the German language, even if your program is in the English language. In Germany, most undergraduate courses are taught in the native language, whereas many study programs at higher academic levels are taught entirely or partially in the German language. Other than that, at university, you will often have to speak German language with locals. Learning German from scratch can be difficult, but if you start early, by the time you come to Germany, you will be speaking survival German. I recommend starting at least 6 months ahead of the commencing of your course to gain a basic comprehension of the German language. Step number 4. Find financial resources. An international student in Germany must possess a minimum of 10,236 euros, which is estimated to be enough for a student to cover the cost of living for the first year of his studies. This amount of money needs to be deposited into a German blocked bank account. Naturally, for a student, this is a large amount of money and takes time to collect. I will suggest you 5 ways to finance your studies in Germany. Step number 1. Parental income. Step number 2. Personal savings. Step number 3. Working part-time. Step number 4. Scholarships. And step number 5. Student loans. So after this is done, let's move to the next step, which is applying for admission. After double checking your application documents, it's time for you to submit the application. The application can be carried online, but there may be universities that receive only applications in person or by post. Some universities also accept applications through UniAssist. Step number 6. Get your student visa. By the time you are collecting the documents, I suggest you contact the German embassy or consulate in person and make a visa appointment. If you don't get a chance to visit the embassy personally, then you can also book appointment via phone. Make sure you have secured proper financial means for studying in Germany. One of the easiest and the best way to convince the authorities that you have enough money to cover your study and living cost is by opening a so-called blocked bank account. I suggest that you open an account with Kotak Mahindra Bank if you are running short of time, but if you have enough time, then you can consider opening a bank account with Fintiba or Deutsche Bank. Step number 7. Find accommodation. Accommodation in Germany for international students is not that expensive, but it's normal that as a foreign student, you should struggle to find the most financially suitable place for you. I recommend you give the desired priority to this issue because it may cost you a lot of time and money which otherwise you would use to study. With that in mind, you can try to find an accommodation online before landing in Germany. Now, how to find accommodation will be covered in my another video. Step number 8. Enroll at your university. The final step to officially be given a place at the university of your choice is to enroll in the course at which you have been admitted. The public higher education in Germany is offered for free, but you will still have to pay a registration fee which ranges somewhat between €150 and €150. Additionally, you will have to pay for your semester ticket to public transportation free of charge for 6 months. To enroll at your university course in Germany, you need to personally appear at the administration office of your university and submit these documents. Following your enrollment in the university, administration will issue you a registration document or ID card which can later be used for residence permit application and attendance of your classes. You need to re-register each semester following the completion of the previous one, and again you will have to cover the same registration costs. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then press the like button and subscribe below. Thank you and see you in the next video.